Hello, welcome back my dear students of class 10. Dear student, I am Rajan Rai, biology teacher from LPM Public School, Gorakhpur. That is a renowned public school in southern Gorakhpur. And dear student, so I can tell here, this is LPM class. This is LPM class presented for you for your learning from the video. And dear student, in the asexual reproduction, which is continuing during this time, and in the asexual reproduction I am going to discuss with you about the last methods of the asexual reproduction, and this asexual reproduction is tissue culture. That is the tissue culture. My dear student, this tissue culture is also known as the cloning. And dear student, as you all are well aware about the first clone that was made in the animal categories, that was the dollies, it was the sheep, and it was prepared, that was the animal. But the method was applied, that was the asexual mode of the reproduction. There were no any involvement of any sexual part, any sex, mother and father. Only single individual is required in the asexual reproduction. And this tissue culture is involved, the tissue culture is involved for the improvement of so many varieties that was in the crop, that was in the fruit plant, that was in the gardening. So this tissue culture is very beneficial, that is very significant in the case of the agriculture production in our country. Dear student, as you know, the country's population is growing enormously and we need so much food grains in our country. That was achieved during the Green Revolution, and that is continued. Farmers are getting new varieties of the seeds, new varieties of the fruit plants, new varieties of the vegetables, and the production is increasing day by day, year by year, to meet out the food requirement of our country, as well as we are independent. Several countries are dependent on us also. Dear student, in this tissue culture, the method involved in it, that if you take two samples of good plants, two samples means take two samples, you can indicate it sample A and sample B. So take two samples, take two tissues, take tissues in these two petri discs, sample A and sample B of good varieties of the plants, whether they are fruit or they are crop, etc. And in these two samples, take their tissues, take their cells, collect the cells from sample A, plant A, good plant, B, also good plant. मतलब कि इसमें अगर आप दोनों अच्छे वैरायटी लेंगे तो वो वैरायटी मेंटेन रहेगी और इम्प्रूव होगी। अगर एक अच्छा और एक गड़बड़ लेंगे तो वैरायटी डिग्रेड हो सकती है इस टिश्यू कल्चर के अंदर। एंड नाउ टेक द सेल्स ऑफ A. These are the cells, means tissue that you are collecting here, and these are the cells B, which you can indicate like this, cells B, cells A and cells B. These are the good variety of the plants that is taken in the laboratory. And after that, after collection of these two samples, later on in the next stage, you have to get mixed. You have to mix them. You have to mix them and mix them in another petri dish, and that mixed part is called, that will be called callus. Mix them like this. And add some nutrients. Add some nutrients around it with these cells. Add some nutrients with these cells. So this compiled mixing of A and B is called callus. And these are the nutrients. Later on, my dear students, after some time, when these cells utilize the nutrients, then you see there will be the development of new plants, development of the new plants on it, which is showing here. When they get mixed together, then the development of new plants will be here. मीन्स यहाँ पर एक नर्सरी तैयार हो जाती है और ये नर्सरी और अच्छी वैरायटी हो जाती है, जो वैरायटी हमने ली हुई है। और नर्सरी बहुत ज्यादा तैयार होती है क्योंकि इसमें जो होता है डीएनए बहुत ज्यादा रिप्लिकेट करता है। फिर इस नर्सरी को हम आइसोलेट कर लेते हैं, वी गेट आइसोलेटेड देम, और आगे फील्ड में इम्प्लांट करते हैं, फील्ड प्लांटेशन। This is called new small plants of good variety. New small plants of again a good variety. Good variety. So my dear students, you are looking here that this kind of asexual reproduction is called cloning. The clones of the new plants, new category plant or same category plant are grown here with the help of the nutrients that get mixed with the cells of both A and B, and which results the cultivation of these new nursery having a good variety, which further is to be planted in the field, in the crop field, so that the production of fruit, production of vegetable, production of crop, whichever is taken into the consideration, that will be the increased, that will be improved. So my dear students, this tissue culture is having a significant role in the improvement of the food resources in our country as well as in the world, and this topic, the asexual reproduction, that get completed, and during the completion of this topic, asexual reproduction, we would like to discuss over here about some important significant features of the asexual reproduction and importance of the asexual reproduction and the merit and demerits of the asexual reproduction over the sexual reproduction. So we will discuss, we are going to discuss these things, and first of all, let us see the significance of the asexual reproduction. Number one, significance. So significance of the asexual reproduction is that there is no requirement of two parents. Number one. This is very simple process, and by this simple process, the new progeny will be generated. The new offspring will be generated by a single parent itself. There will be no any complicated process like sexual reproduction involved over here. So this is the significance of asexual reproduction. And very fast, the species can grow in a very fast manner. There is no time required, more time required for completing the sexual cycle, this asexual cycle. This is a very short time period, this is taking very short period time. So these are the significance of the asexual reproduction. Another thing is the demerit is that in the asexual reproduction, the development or evolution process is very slow. Evolution process is very slow because during the DNA replication over here, what is going on in this slide, you can say that DNA replication is having the very minute variation, and for the evolution that will be not enough, but variation takes place at every stage of the reproduction, whether that is asexual reproduction or sexual reproduction. So in the sexual reproduction में ज़्यादा अमाउंट में वेरिएशन हो सकता है, क्वालिटी में वेरिएशन हो सकता है, अमाउंट में हो सकता है, और भी बहुत सारे फायदे हैं ओवर द एसेक्सुअल रिप्रोडक्शन. And dear student, now come to the thing that the basic point of this reproduction is that reproduction takes place at the cellular level, whether that is asexual reproduction or sexual reproduction. आपने देखा है कि चाहे वेजिटेटिव प्रोपोगेशन हो, उसमें भी सेल टू सेल कांटेक्ट होता है, उसमें भी डीएनए का फिजिकल कांटेक्ट होता है, दो वैरायटी का, फिर एक नई वैरायटी बनती है, अच्छी वैरायटी बनती है. और नॉट ओनली दिस, सेक्सुअल रिप्रोडक्शन में भी वही चीज होती है, डीएनए रिप्लिकेट करता है, डीएनए हाफ होता है, फिर रिप्लिकेट करता है, और फिर फर्टिलाइजेशन होता है. फर्टिलाइजेशन में फिर से दोनों का फिजिकल कांटेक्ट होता है. उस फिजिकल कांटेक्ट के दौरान माय डियर स्टूडेंट बहुत सारे वेरिएशंस होते हैं, एंड दैट वेरिएशंस आर वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. दैट वेरिएशंस कहाँ होते हैं? वेरिएशंस होते हैं डीएनए के जीन लोकेशन में, डीएनए के जीन में वेरिएशन होते हैं, और ये वेरिएशन फर्दर फैसिलिटेट करते हैं इवोल्यूशन के प्रोसेस को, जिससे कि नई नई स्पीसीज का उद्भव हुआ है हमारे पृथ्वी पर. और not only this, whether that is asexual reproduction or sexual reproduction, that is required to maintain the population size of that particular species for the longer survival of that species on this earth. So my dear student, there is no doubt about the statement that what we can say that the asexual reproduction is very important, very fast, very convenient, but sexual reproduction is having certain other benefits over the asexual reproduction. Sexual reproduction is required to maintain the genome structure of the parents and to maintain the characters of the parents in the offsprings throughout the generation by generation. And since variations are there, so after so many times, काफी समय के बाद इनमें फिर से नई स्पीसीज का उद्भव होता है. तो प्यारे बच्चों, आपको इतनी सारी चीजें इसमें इंक्लूडेड हैं. आप इसको स्टडी करिए और पढ़ने की कोशिश करिए. फर्दर जेनेटिक्स में आप और डिटेल में जाएंगे, एंड बिफोर गोइंग टू जेनेटिक्स वी विल डिस्कस अबाउट द सेक्सुअल रिप्रोडक्शन इन प्लांट्स एंड सेक्सुअल रिप्रोडक्शन इन एनिमल्स. सो थैंक यू वेरी मच फॉर वॉचिंग दिस वीडियो. You all to have in focus study, focus your mind on the study so that you can score more and more numbers. Thank you.